Hello cool dudes! Today, in my previous video in the Cool Stuff X channel, I taught you how to play Prodigy. But now, you have to beat the Puppet Master to try to beat the strongest boss in Prodigy. So if you want to beat the Puppet Master and you're trying to struggle on it, this is the secret way how do you do it. First, you have to go to Prodigy, and then you have to go to the Lamplight Town. Okay? Once you get there, you just have to follow this area. You just have to follow this area. And then you have to go down here. And then there's like this wand area. So in this wand area, you're supposed to go inside of it. So in the wand area, if you go at the end of it, you'll find like this wand called the dual blade. So that blade has starburst, and starburst is a good this type of attack. So astral attack. So in case if you have so when you're battling the Puppet Master is weak to astral spells. So if you use this starburst wand, which is called a dual blade, you can beat the Puppet Master. So first, this will cost a little money, and you have to be in a high level. And then once you got that, if you wanna look even more cooler, you just have to go this way, and then just go this way, and then go up here, and then you'll find this. So once you get in that shop, you just have to go to the end, and you'll find the whole set of it. So the Celestial Helmet, and you can get all the full set of it to look really cool. You just have to buy the whole set, which is about like $20 or like $24,000. So then if you want furniture, you can just share, but this is the whole set. And now you can look really cool. And once you go to the Puppet Master battle, you can try to easily beat the Puppet Master. And my second advice to beat the Puppet Master, you have to go to pets, and you have to get like pets which are really high HP. For example, this is 570. So I'll see my highest health. So this is 550 again. This one is 890, so I would really use this. And this one is 860. So use your highest HP pets, and mine is Mistyle and Aquaster. And in case if you're battling the Puppet Master, and you're in case if it has like this arrow, just click on it and level up your pets. It'll be much stronger. So once you level them up, they'll be the same level as you. Now you're really strong, and now you're ready to beat the Puppet Master. And a lot of people ask me that if you beat the Puppet Master, what does the Puppet Master's suit look like, and what does the wand do? And so to see it, the suit looks like this. So the suit looks like that. That's the robes. That's the wand. And relics, I don't know, but this is how you there. So this is how you look if you have the whole Puppet Master suit. And the wand, all the wand does is that it uses a really strong attack. It's called Eclipse. So I'll just go in a Titan battle and show you how good or bad it is. To me, I don't think it's really that good, because it just does misses and stuff. So see here, I'm in a battle with the Puppet Master staff. So then the Titan just uses that thing. Now I'm gonna answer the questions, and then I'm gonna answer all the questions. After I answer the question, now I'm gonna just try to battle it with like that. And then at the second round of the of your character, you can use the Puppet Master's staff's attack. So see here, I answered the question right. So I can just use this random attacks, which I don't really use. So now I'm just gonna fill up this question. So then after I answer the question, I'll just do like this attack. So now this is how really strong the Puppet Master's staff is. So the only attack it gives you extra is this attack called Eclipse. See here? Its aim is not that good. And the power is not that good either. So like, this is how it looks like. So see that, cool dudes? This is what the Puppet Master's staff suit looks like, and what the power does, and now you can beat the Puppet Master. Once you beat the Puppet Master, you're like really strong, and you can beat a lot of people in duels and stuff. So, good luck, cool dudes. I wish best of luck for you guys to beat the Puppet Master. Bye!